Did you see what happened? What the mother Chiamaka did to Nigeria? She was holding a bloodstained Nigerian flag at an international competition.
Next contestant, thank you.
Could you imagine that? Anyway, let me tell you her name again. Ude Chiamaka Victoria. She passed a strong message that day. She held a Nigerian flag. It was at a beauty contest in Russia. The 23-year-old model, he was representing Nigeria in that. It's an ongoing event now. Miss Africa Russia. That's 2001. It's still ongoing. That's in Moscow. You know, this lady held Nigerian flag with blood stain, and anyone who saw that can relate to the message. You know what? Nigeria might begin to see such a thing unless the government of Nigeria changes. And you know what? What is happening in the country, Nigerian government is complicit in it. Yes. Aside the Boko Haram killing, which I also blame the Nigerian government for, the killing going on in the east right now. If you watch video, guys pushed into gutters, left to die, guys bleeding. And you know, what this young lady did has attracted so much attention, and people hate her for that. What sort of beauty contest? We are bleeding in the southeast. The army is doing whatever they like. A lot of people, look, you will just be moving in the street, you are picked up. The Nigerian army is doing whatever they like, and I thank her for that. She did so marvelously well. And unless Nigerian government changes, more of this will be seen. Anyway, let's get to our third story. Okezie Ikpeazu, the governor of Abia State, says he disagrees with Kanu. This is not just about Okezie, but everyone that goes to that city. The five, not just him, so let's not point at him. There are five, the southeastern governors have always disagreed with the Biafran movement, so they had to disagree with Kanu. It is common. Okezie Ikpeazu said he has no personal grudge with Nnamdi Kanu, but according to him, he disagrees with Kanu's agitation approach. Okay, according to him, some of the grievances, some of the reasons why the Biafran agitators agitate are actually genuine reasons, but they don't know how to go about it. Well, I think, let me add something there. Let me tell you, no country will give you freedom if you're just carrying flags. Give me freedom. Never. Or you can give me an example. Unless developed countries, like the Western world, that is where you find that. These guys demanded Ireland and the rest demanded referendum to know if they are still part of UK, and they were allowed, they were given that opportunity, and it didn't work, and more people were saying no. But if more people had said yes, UK is very disciplined country. They respect human rights. They will allow them to go. But that is not the case here. Here is like a place you have to take it by force. That is how it seems. So I don't know how Nnamdi Kanu would have gone about it. Now, can anybody or these governors tell us what approach is the best, or a universally accepted approach that has worked for everyone, that is so quiet? Can anyone tell us? We are all ears. You know, some people, I used to listen to some people, they tell you, he doesn't know how to do it. He has a wrong approach. Can you tell me the right approach? You know, I was once in that shoe. I was once like that. I was looking at him. Wrong approach. Please, can anybody tell us the right approach? Let me tell you, freedom is snatched, actually. Freedom is not, it is taken, it is snatched. It's hardly given. The only people that can give you freedom is in the case of independence, the white colonial masters ruling you, and because of pressures, not just from you, because your own pressure is not enough, pressures from outside, they give you freedom. But in the case whereby you now have a nation of your own, they want to neo-colonize you, or your fellow blacks want to recolonize you in your own country. Freedom is not gotten with ease. But you know, I heard some people saying, give us referendum. Well, I don't say it is wrong to call for referendum, but then in the part of the world we are in, they don't want to hear something like that. We are in a very underdeveloped world, in a world where people reason the other way around. They can't give you a referendum. So, well, I don't know. Let's Governor Oji, is it Theodore Oji or Ikpeazu? Yes, Ikpeazu of Abia State. Tell us a better approach. We are ready to follow. Now, when somebody asks you, when somebody tells you, you people don't know how to do it, let the person bring forward an idea, or let the person keep short. I don't like this agitation. Yes, the agitation is genuine. It is genuine. Yes, it is genuine. But they don't know how to do it. Tell us how to do it. Universally accepted way. Meanwhile, viewers, contribute, add your comment, tell us what you think. And you can also chat with us on WhatsApp if you will. We are there. You can also call us personally and talk to us. And please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get our updates anytime it drops. I sign out.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.